So guys, here Chuck Dizzle coming at you here. Just want to show my GT6 setup with the GT steering wheel and brake system. It's pretty nice. Got my Ps3, got my stereo unit with some speakers, got my fishing seat because it was easy and cheap. This setup cost about 80 bucks total. Pretty straightforward. I really like it. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, I just want to show something a little different. You know, these guys show all these crazy setups out there, and you know, spending thousands of dollars on multi-screens and all this crap. It's unnecessary. Unnecessary. This is simple. You can go to your Goodwill, get your unit for 20 bucks, 30 bucks. You know, I got my steering wheel from OfferUp for 40. You know, not bad, not bad. I already had the speakers. 2x4s, cheap. 20 bucks and 2x4s. Yeah, just kind of wanted to show off a little bit here, and it could be a little cleaner, but you know, it is what it is. I'm not professional. I just want to game, race. My little surround speakers. Yeah. So hey, feel free to you know, leave any questions, comments, hit the like button. Really appreciate it. Hey, but yeah, guys, have a good day.